Ever wondered how your favorite pair of jeans is made? Our journey starts with the birth of denim, a sturdy fabric that stood the test of time. This tale begins in the cotton fields, where fluffy white bolls are picked to provide the raw material for your jeans. These cotton bolls are then cleaned and spun into yarn, a process that transforms the cotton fibers into long, continuous threads. But what gives denim its distinctive blue hue? That's where indigo comes in. The spun yarn is dyed with this natural colorant, soaking up the vivid blue that's become synonymous with denim. But the process doesn't stop there. The indigo-dyed yarn is then dried, resulting in long strands of blue-hued threads ready to be woven. And that's where the magic really starts to happen. That's just the start. The yarn must now be woven into the iconic denim fabric. So how does this dyed yarn become the rugged denim we all know and love? Well, it's all about the weaving process. Picture a loom, a large machine that interlaces these threads to create the fabric. The unique characteristic of denim comes from a special technique called the twill weave. In this method, the weft threads pass under two or more warp threads, creating that recognizable diagonal pattern we associate with our sturdy denims. Now remember the indigo-dyed yarn we talked about? That's used for the warp, the lengthwise threads. For the weft, the crosswise threads, we use white or natural yarn. Why, you ask? Well, this contrasting combination of blue and white gives denim its classic look. The indigo warp threads dominate the outer surface, while the white weft threads are seen on the inside. With the fabric woven, it's time to shape it into your favorite jeans. Ever tried to craft something out of a flat piece of fabric? It's not as easy as it looks. Now imagine that fabric is a durable denim, and you're tasked with transforming it into a pair of jeans. It's quite the journey, but let's break it down. First, patterns are meticulously laid out on the denim fabric. These patterns are like the blueprint for our jeans. They guide the cutting process to ensure each piece is the right shape and size. There's no room for error here. Each cut must be precise, or else the final product might not fit as it should. Once the pieces are cut out, it's time for assembly. This is where the magic happens, where separate pieces of fabric start to resemble what we know as jeans. Stitch by stitch, the pieces are sewn together. It's a delicate dance between the seamstress and the sewing machine, a partnership that brings our jeans to life. But a pair of jeans is more than just stitched fabric. It's the pockets where we stash our keys, the zippers that ensure a snug fit, and the buttons that add a dash of style. Each of these elements is carefully added during the assembly process. And just like that, what was once a flat piece of fabric has taken on a new shape, but don't rush to put them on just yet. Almost there, but not quite. Our jeans aren't ready to wear just yet. What turns a simple pair of denim pants into your favorite jeans? It's all in the finishing touches, my friends. This is where the magic happens. The denim, now transformed into a pair of jeans, is not quite ready to hit the stores. There are a few important steps that still need to be taken. The first is washing. Washing isn't just about cleanliness here, it's an art form. This process softens the denim, giving it that comfy, worn-in feel we all know and love. It also creates the unique color variations and fading that make each pair of jeans a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Next comes distressing. Ever wondered how those cool, vintage-looking jeans got their rugged charm? Distressing is the answer. Skilled artisans painstakingly create every rip, tear, and fray, making sure that each pair has just the right amount of wear and tear. Finally, we have quality checking. Every single pair of jeans is inspected thoroughly. The stitching, the fit, the look, everything is scrutinized to ensure that the pair you pick off the shelves is nothing short of perfect. And there you have it, a perfect pair of jeans ready to be worn and loved. Enjoyed the journey of your jeans from cotton to closet? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.